Central Florida, southeastern Hillsborough County, and west central Florida until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles northeast of Lakewood Ranch, or 16 miles east of Palmetto, moving north at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Greater Sunday Center around 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ruskin around 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I was gonna hit Ruskin.
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Little Manatee River State Park, Waimama, Lake Manatee State Park, and Sunday City Center. Take cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid flood waters. If possible, take shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Hillsborough and